come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
कौन से वोटर है? डॉक्टर सुधांशु त्रिवेदी. Barrage of questions.
I would like to congratulate and remind him. He has said that citizenship is the prerogative of the Home Ministry. That is constitutional status. फिर CAA में क्यों स्टेट असेंबलीज प्रस्ताव पारित कर रही थी? CAA is related to only citizenship, and citizenship is a central subject, union subject, nothing to do with the states. और इनकी भी सरकार ने पारित किया, दर्जनों ने झड़ी लगा दी. CAA लागू नहीं करेंगे, और आज देखिए कैसे पलटी मारते हैं. आज कह रहे हैं सिटीजनशिप उनकी है. बिल्कुल ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन इज ट्राइंग टू डिटरमाइन सिटीजनशिप, बट व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए वोटर? फर्स्ट, he has to be the citizen of India. Second, age. So out of these two qualifications, the first, it has to be verified whether you are a citizen of India or not. For example, if somebody is applying for a post, for that there is a minimum qualification. So it has to be seen that whether he is having the minimum qualification or not. Second thing, I would like to ask, they are talking about BLO, but I am talking about what is BLA. What BLA is doing. Booth level agents of the party, have they posted anything significant? Third thing I would like to ask, that they are trying to say what happened in the last 5 months. Sir, in last 5 months, only in Kishanganj district, 6 lakh people applied for residency certificate. 6 lakh people applied for residency certificate, and most of them were having Aadhaar card from Malda, Murshidabad and 24 Pargana. Is this not significant enough to be seen? And in certain districts of Bihar, Purnia, Araria, 25% more Aadhaar card than the total population of that area. Is this not enough that it is to be ascertained? Yes, our constitution has given the right to every citizen to select the government, not the Ghuspaitiya to select the government. And on the issue of what he is saying, Ghuspaitiya, sir, I would like to remind you should be knowing the fact that way back in 2006 and 7, Shri Prakash Jaiswal, then MOS of the UPA government, as floor of the house has said कि इस देश में 2-3 करोड़ बांग्लादेशी आ चुके हैं. Second thing, IMDT Act को क्वैश करते समय 2006 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया ने कहा this problem of Bangladeshi infiltration has become an external aggression over India, and this has enraged Mamata Banerjee so much that she has thrown file over Somnath Chatterjee. और सर आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आधार कार्ड बनाने का काम कौन करता है? State government. And once you get the Aadhaar card done, you can shift it anywhere in the country. That's why Aadhaar is not considered as the proof of residency. It is just proof of identity. So I think the problem is that, in one line I would like to say, the problem is that this time those who are aspiring to usurp the power of the country with the help of the infiltrators. In this context, again, I would like to say, on 9th of February 2025, US President, while stopping the US aid, has said that he was surprised that how come US aid, US Agency for International Development, has invested millions of dollars, yani crores rupaye, to increase the voter turnout of India. He was saying what he has to do with voter turnout. And in the last 2024 election, one of the very senior leader of Congress party has written an article in Bangladeshi newspaper, leading newspaper, Daily Star, that the Modi has to go. Elections was going on in India. What was the reason of writing in Bangladesh? The reason was, you can connect the dots, that the biggest victory in 2024 was in Dhubri seat of Assam, in which the Congress Rakibul Hassan has won by 10,25,000. 3 times bigger victory than Rahul Gandhi, because this is the area in which the biggest demographic change has taken place in the last 20-25 years, which is considered to be the biggest batch of Bangladeshi infiltrators. तो इसलिए साहब प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि विदेशी घुसपैठियों की दम के ऊपर सत्ता हथियाने के अरमान जमीन पे मिलते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, इसलिए संविधान का नाटक किया जा रहा है.